Hello, this is the tutorial video for Castle Dash, the soldier placement combat game. In Castle Dash, players use their soldiers to win battles and claim armory cards for valuable battle bonuses. At the end of the game, whoever has stolen the most coins is the winner. Castle Dash plays 3 to 6 players in 30 minutes and is for ages 8 and up. Before you begin playing, each player chooses a color, takes the castle card of that color, and all the matching bits. Each player also takes 2 black cannonball tokens. Once each player has chosen a color, the castle cards are arranged based on the number of players. Next, each player gives a captive soldier to the player to their left, to their right, and across from them, as indicated by the yellow arrows. In a 3 and 5 player game, the soldier that would go across from you is instead removed from play. Here's an example of what a 4-player game looks like at setup. Next, the armory cards are shuffled and placed nearby, and a first player is randomly chosen. You are now ready to begin playing Castle Dash. Each round follows the following steps: reveal armory cards, place soldiers, claim armory cards, battle, and looting. First, the first player draws 2 armory cards per player and places them off to the side face up. These armory cards will be able to be claimed by players for bonuses in battle. Starting with the first player, each player can either place soldiers into a battle or onto an armory card. When placing soldiers into a battle, you choose as many as 6 soldiers and place them either to the left, to the right, or in front of your castle. Each of these areas is a different battle. Note, in a 3 and 5 player game, there are no battles in front of your castle. Once you place soldiers into a battle, no additional soldiers can be added, so choose wisely when adding soldiers to a battle. Or, you can place 1 soldier onto an armory card to secure it for yourself. Here is an example of play after everyone has finished placing soldiers. Also note, you cannot pass during your turn. You must place soldiers either onto an available armory card or into a battle that hasn't had soldiers added yet. Is claiming armory cards. Each player takes any armory cards that they placed a soldier onto and places it in front of them. Any armory cards with the flag symbol are resolved immediately. For example, blue and green took the 2 cannonball armory card and received 2 extra cannonballs for this turn. Up next is battle. Starting with the active player, each player resolves all of their battles before moving on to the next player. We will show an example battle between purple and blue, as indicated by the yellow arrow. At the start of each battle, each player will simultaneously choose how many cannonballs to fire at their opponent. Cannonballs, if they hit, will remove 1 soldier from your opponent's army. Both blue and purple have decided to use 1 cannonball. For each cannonball fired, the player rolls a 6-sided die. If you roll equal to or lower than the number of soldiers in your opponent's army, you hit. If you roll higher than the number of soldiers in your opponent's army, you miss. In this example, purple has rolled a 4, which is too high to hit blue's army, while blue has rolled a 2, and that's a hit. Purple loses 1 soldier from its army, as indicated by the yellow X. Next, each player decides which armory cards they will use in battle. Blue has decided to use its +1 soldier's armory card, while purple has decided not to use its cavalry armory card. Each player then rolls a 4-sided die and adds the result to the number of soldiers they have in battle. Purple has rolled a 3. 1 soldier plus a die roll of 3 equals a battle total of 4. Blue has rolled a 2. 3 soldiers plus a die roll of 2 plus its +1 soldier's armory card equals a battle total of 6. Blue has won the battle. The winner of the battle places soldiers onto the loser's castle wall. To determine how many soldiers are placed, you take the difference in battle totals. 6 minus 4 equals 2 soldiers placed on purple's castle wall. The 5th and final step of each round is looting. Starting with the first player, each castle is checked to see if it has been broken through and stolen from. If a castle wall has at least 3 soldiers on it, the wall has been broken through, and the soldiers can steal from the castle. In this example, red has 3 soldiers on blue's castle wall. They have broken through. When soldiers break into a castle, they can either choose to steal a coin matching the castle's color, or rescue a captive of their own color. If there are no captives matching the soldier's color remaining, the soldiers must steal a coin. If there are fewer than 3 soldiers on a castle wall, the soldiers remain there through the end of the turn. Castle Dash was designed by Trevor Clifford and developed by Phil Kilcrease. Thanks for watching this tutorial video, and we hope you enjoy playing Castle Dash.